Are you still making flanges to use sheet metal models one by one? Or having trouble with modeling complex edge flanges? We are going to fix this right away with maybe one of the most underestimated features in sheet metal. This model has several bending that are the same all the way around. One way to make this is by adding this bendings one by one with the edge flange feature. Well, this takes way too much time. Let's look at another, much easier and faster method. Here is the base flange is already drawn, as we just saw. Now we are going to model the flanges around it, as we just saw. To do this easy and fast, we first need to sketch the cross-section of the flange. This needs to be done on the side of the base flange and must have a relation with it. In this case we connect it to the upper side corner with a coincidence relation. The sketch is now complete and all we need to do is create the actual flange geometry. Instead of using the edge flange feature, as you did probably before, we are now choosing the Miter Flange feature. When click this, SolidWorks immediately shows a preview of the flange at one side of the base flange. In this case, we need the other three sides as well. To add these, simply click on one or more of the lines at the side of the base flange. The flanges are now all the way around the base flange, but are they on the right position? In the Property Manager, there are several options to make sure this Miter Flange fits all requirements. The first one is the position of the flange. Look how this three different options adjust the flange and impacts the model dimensions. In this case, we will choose the option, Bend Outside. Let's skip the option, Trim Side Bends for now and move on to the gap size parameter. This is the space between the point where two flanges meet each other. To decrease the tolerance during bending, we will change this to 0.5. With the last option, we have the possibility to add an offset from the start and end point. We do not want this with this model, but let's see what these options do. See how the flanges behave around the point where we created our sketch? Now you know how to model sheet metal flanges easy and fast. Please like this video and subscribe to this channel so we can learn a lot more about SolidWorks and become an expert. Thanks for watching.